have this flower from the Religious Consciousness Church. Would you care to make a donation?
No, but thank you anyway.
Jack, isn't there Fred Blifford over there in the blue turtleneck? Maybe it's on our flight to Chicago.
Oh, yeah, I think it is.
Fred!
Hey, Fred! Hey, Jack!
The red zone is for immediate loading and unloading of passengers only. There is no stopping in the white zone.
No, the white zone is for loading and unloading, and there is no stopping in the red zone.
The red zone has always been for loading and unloading. There's never stopping in a white zone.
Don't tell me which zone is for stopping and which zone is for loading.
Listen, Betty, don't start up with your white zone again.
Hello, we'd like you to have this flower from the Church of Religious Consciousness. Would you like to make a donation?
No, thanks. We gave it the office.
Would you put all your metal objects into this dish, please?
There's just no stopping in a white zone.
Oh, really, Vernon? Why pretend? We both know perfectly well what it is you're talking about. You want me to have an abortion.
It's really the only sensible thing to do. If it's done properly, therapeutically, there's no danger involved.
Taxi!
I'll be back in a minute.
Hello, sir. We'd like you to have this flower on behalf of the Church of Religious Consciousness. Would you... Hey, Larry, where's the forklift? Forklift! It's over there by the baggage loader.
Elaine,
Yes.
I came home early and found your note. I guess you meant for me to read it later. Elaine, I've got to talk to you.
I just don't want to go over it anymore.
I know things haven't been right for a long time, but it'll be different. Like it was in the beginning. If you'll just be patient, I can work things out.
I have been patient and I've tried to help, but you wouldn't even let me do that.
Don't you feel anything for me at all anymore?
It takes so many things to make love last. Most of all, it takes respect. And I can't live with the man I don't respect.
Captain Clarence over, white courtesy phone.
No, the white phone.
This is Captain Over.
1 moment for your call from the Mayo Clinic.
Captain over, white courtesy phone. Captain Clarence over.
I've got it.
Thank you.
Go ahead with your call.
This is Dr. Brody at the Mayo Clinic.
There's a passenger on your Chicago flight 209, a little girl named Lisa Davis, en route to Minneapolis. She's scheduled for a heart transplant. We'd like you to tell her mother that we found a donor an hour ago.
We have the heart here, ready for surgery. We must have the recipient on the operating table within 6 hours.
I want you to make sure that she's kept in a reclined position, that a continuous watch is kept on her IV. Also,
It's very important that she remain calm.
Excuse me, this is the operator, Captain Over. I have an emergency call for you on line 5 from a Mr. Ham.
All right, give me Ham on 5. Hold the mail.